Hello ladies and gentlemen, Repichess here, and let's see a quick miniature I found recently. So in chess sometimes the position is hopeless and you might resign, but a good chess player is always looking for some real chances, yeah. And I could easily resign in this position as white, yeah, as you cannot just stop this pawn, obviously it's too far away, and this king blocks these two pawns from queening, and there is no way you can get this king away out of this h8 square. But there is a interesting idea is to get into stalemate position. So let's try it. Let's play it this way. Just pawn moves away. g3, king h6, king g6, and black wins, yeah, so it's check and there is no stalemate. So it gives us an idea that we might actually win the make a draw by losing a tempo. So let's play not this move, but like waste the tempo on reaching this square, king f6. So the reason is that it not only loses a tempo but attacks the pawn. So if you play this move, then it's a draw. We capture the pawn. So obviously you have to play this. King g6, g3, h7, king h6, and queen g1 is stalemate. It's a draw. And you cannot under promote to a rook. Yeah, then it's also a draw because rook covers the square. So I think pretty nice draw by white pieces. Alright, thank you, and see you next time.